In this video, we'll show you how to cook using the appliance air fryer. There are two ways. One is manual and the other is through our mobile app which has guided recipes. Let's get started. Today, we're going to be making Kurkure Bhindi. To start cooking, click the dial to select temperature. Turn to set it. Click again for time to choose how long. Click one more time for texture. This controls the final finish of your food, whether it turns out juicy, tender, crispy or crunchy. Every dish has a texture that suits it, so feel free to play with it. When you've chosen everything, hit start. Halfway through, it'll buzz, which is your cue to flip. If you don't, it keeps going. When it's done, you'll hear it and get a notification. Now that we have prepared the Kurkure Bhindi manually, now let's see how to cook a recipe using the mobile app. Go to the Explore page. Pick one and the assistant will walk you through it. Let's get started with the making of the butter garlic mushrooms. I have gotten my mushrooms marinated and ready. Let's air fry them. Now place the mushrooms in the basket. You can also verify this by snapping a picture and sending it to our mobile app. When ready, send the instructions to your air fryer. For safety, always press the button on the device to start. Perfectly cooked, juicy mushrooms are ready now. You can explore this and many other recipes on the Appliance mobile app.